guys, welcome back. Have a great everyone. Hopefully you're having a great day. And as you can see here, this is our another tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make this very simple bow. Okay, that you can use anywhere on your project as an applique or embellishment. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys so the same color that I use here. So I'm going to leave it there and grab your yarn, guys, and we are going to start with our slip knot. Okay, so start with our slip knot. So just yarn over, okay, and then you create that. And with this one here, it's the same yarn, but I did use the bigger hook for this one. So now I'm going to use the smaller hook, which is a 3mm hook. This one is I use 4.5, so we'll see it will just adjust the size of it. Okay, so from here, as after you finish your slip knot, we're going to chain 5. So 1 2 3 4 5, and then we're going to slip stitch into the first. Okay, so insert and pull through. Okay, now we have created our magic ring. So as you can see there, there's a very tiny hole. Okay, and then from here we're going to chain 5. 1 2 3 4 5, and you wrap your yarn 3 times, 1 2 and 3, and then now we're going to insert into this magic ring, and we're going to create pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Okay, so we have created that. So then we're going to wrap our yarn again, so 3 times, 1 2 and 3, and then coming back into the magic ring and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Okay, so then now we created our 2 double treble. Okay, so wrap 1 2 and 3. Okay, and insert and pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So now we have 3, and we are going to continue 1 2 and 3. Okay, so 1 2 and 3, and yarn will pull through 2, 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 and pull through 2. Okay, and now we have 1 2 3 4, and we have to complete 6 of these double treble. Okay, so we have 4 1 2 3, and this is our 5th. Okay, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, and we are going to complete. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are going to slip stitch into the magic ring to complete. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so you just have to squeeze them together, and this is the looks of our first. So it's a little bit smaller compared to this one because of the hook that I used. Okay, so now we are going to continue. Stay there. Now we are going to continue, and from here we are going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to do the same thing what we did here. 1, 2, 3, and insert, and we're going to pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, 2, and pull through 2. Okay, so that's our first. Wrap 1, 2, 3, and insert, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Okay, so now we have our 2, so 1, 2, and 3, and insert, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And we have 3, and we still need 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. It catches and pull through 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and insert, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have one more. 1, 2, 3, and this is our last double treble. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're coming back here to do a slip stitch to finish our row. Okay, and then with this one you can cut your yarn. Okay, so pull that tight, you can cut your yarn, and this is what we just created. Okay, so this is what we just created. So the size of it is, this one is a little bit smaller because of the hook that I use compared to this one. Okay, so this one has a bigger hook I use, so it's a little bit bigger. This one is a little bit smaller because of the hook that I use. Okay, but either way they end up this same bow. Okay, so hopefully guys, this is very, very, very easy. Okay, so if you don't know how to double treble crochet, so what are you going to do is just a very simple. Okay, so doing a slip knot as well. Okay, so if you're really new, I have a tutorial for that in my playlist. I do have a playlist of stitches, so you can check that out, but it's just very easy. You make a circle like that. Okay, you can wrap around your finger and then pull it up like that, and then insert your hook from here, and you go and pull it like that, pull it tight, and then this is where the left side. Okay, so this one here that you're holding, this is your working yarn. Okay, so hold like that. Okay, and to do the chain, so yarn over, insert, yarn over, and then twist down, insert, and yarn over, twist down and insert. Okay, and you can do 4 if you don't want this bigger, or you can do, so with this one I have chain 4. You insert into the first chain, and then you wrap your yarn and then pull through all 2 loops, and then you have created your magic ring, and then we are going to work here. Okay, so with that said, this one is chain 2, so this one is a double crochet. Okay, so yarn over, pull through, and you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So that is a double crochet. Okay, so now if you wrap, okay, so twice, 3 times, so this one is a triple crochet. Okay, so we work, okay, so wrap 1, 2, and 3, and then we insert and we pull up, and these 2 here is the first 2 that you're going to pull through. Okay, so yarn over, pull through 2, and these 2 again, you're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you have 2 here, yarn over and pull through 2, and you have 2 more, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, so that is how you do your triple crochet. Okay, so as I said guys, if you don't know the stitches, please watch and then come back and make your bow. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching, and this is a very short video. Hopefully guys you like this video, and if you do, please give this a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day everyone, and thank you for watching, and bye.